So this is an old Ryobi, and I like to pick these things up from Goodwill. I got it for less than that, but anyway. The one thing I don't like about these is the trigger lock. So anyway, so I took this thing apart, and quite interesting. So this is the unit. You go in here and you just take this, just go ahead and pull that out of there. There's your spring, and now you'll be able to just do that whenever you feel like it. Look at this, some weird thing. I guess they must put it in there at the factory. Security device. So it's actually a pretty good sized motor, fully encased, which is kind of interesting. I was a little bit surprised to see that. Anyway, I had an old boss. He used to run a screw right through here, and I said, man, I don't want to do that. But so anyways, we're gonna put it back together and we'll be right back. So what's nice about these old Ryobis is they're pretty easy to pick up, and you use these new batteries. They're cheap, but man, they run like crazy with the newer batteries. So now I don't have a safety on this anymore, and that's exactly how I want it. So you just take this piece out and you're good to go. So anyways, I do probably some more little videos and stuff of maybe little tricks of things. Put that in the pile over there, and see about getting some more stuff posted up like this. There's tons of little tricks. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to click to subscribe and help me get this channel started. Thanks.